Hello students, today's topic is distance and displacement. Both the topics I will explain you with an example. Suppose Rohan lives in A place and he want to reach in C place. In between he want to meet his friend, so he will travel from A 5 km to reach B, and then again he will travel 3 km to reach C. So the distance travelled by him will be 5 km plus 3 km, that is 8 km. Now suppose Rohan want to find that how far he is from the initial position. In that case we have to draw a straight line from initial position to the final position, that is AC, and AC is the displacement, that is 4 km. So distance is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body, and displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and the final position. Thank you.